Hello everyone, welcome to Arshi's Gallery. Today I am going to show you how I taught my 4 years old daughter English alphabets. The techniques which I will use to show the capital letters, you can use the same technique to teach your daughter, teach your child small letters. Initially it becomes very difficult to teach a child of 2 or 2.5 years old the alphabets. You cannot teach them alphabets initially. First of all, at the initial stage you have to give them different types of drawings. You allow them to draw anything that they want in the copy. They will make some circles, they will make some standing lines, whatever comes into their mind they will draw at the age of 2.5 years or 2 years. Slowly and gradually, when the child will grow up, you have to start introducing different types of alphabets. So initially you cannot expect to make them right. So what will you do? First of all, what I did, I cut small pieces of cardboards. These are actually from packets of Cadbury's. So with this, I first taught her different types of alphabets. Like I made capital letter A with this, like this, capital letter A. Then I used small cards. I taught like this, capital letter B. Then I taught her C, capital letter C. Then like this, I introduced her alphabet D. Okay. Then I introduced her E. These alphabets I did not teach her in a single day. I took some time and introduced in a playway method different types of alphabets. E. Then in this way F. Then similarly, using this piece boards, I introduced her alphabet G, like this, alphabet G. So in this way they will find interest in learning a different thing. So once they are familiar with the shapes of different alphabets, then I introduced this one. When they are familiar with the alphabets, I wrote the piece of in a piece of paper I wrote the alphabets, and I asked her, pick up any alphabet, pick up alphabets like B. So my daughter, once she identified alphabet B, she picked it up. Then I asked her to pick up alphabet C. Then she picked up alphabet C. So in this way, I understood that she was able to recognize the alphabets. Once her recognition was complete, then again I introduced these alphabets, plastic alphabets. To make the concept more clearer, I introduced this plastic alphabets, and I asked her to pick up alphabets like alphabet E. I used to give her different types of alphabets, and I used to ask her, pick up alphabet E. Then she picked up this E. Then pick up alphabet B. So this stage comes only after your child is ready to recognize the alphabets. The speaking activity, it will come once your child becomes familiar with all the alphabets. So when after A to Z, when your child is completely thorough with the alphabets, then the final stage comes, that is tracing. Final stage comes tracing. Before this stage, you can also do one thing. You can use different types of color pencils, and you can teach those alphabets which are with standing lines only, like standing and sleeping lines. Like this one, you can show her alphabet L. Okay. Again, like this, by making the alphabets with color pencils, you can teach alphabets. Alphabet M. Again, similarly, capital letter N. In this way, your child will find interest in learning a different thing. Everything will be new to her. and she will find interest. Again, you can teach her alphabet like A. Of course, this technique you can use only for those alphabets which has standing and sleeping lines. But you cannot use this technique to teach curved lines. For that you have to cut piece boards. So once with this technique like Z, A to Z, when the concept is totally clear of your daughter, then you can come to the final stage, that is tracing. That is the stage of writing. In writing also you have to do one thing. You have to make lines with different colors. You have to use different colors like red line, blue line, again red line. How will it help? While writing, you can give instruction to your daughter that in capital letters use red line, blue line, then make a curve. Red line, blue line, then make E. Standing line and then make E. If you do not use different colors and if you use only blue colors and you ask your daughter to write capital letter E, she will be confused. She will again write the alphabets, she will extend the alphabet up to this much, red line, which is wrong, which is incorrect. So to teach her properly, you have to color the lines you have to use different lines. And once this is done, you will draw some dotted lines in the form of alphabet. You will write some alphabets. First two lines you will make some dotted alphabets. Okay, first three lines. But the last line I left it, I did not write anything to check whether my daughter can write the alphabet or not. These three lines are for practice, but this line I wanted to check her whether she can write it or not. So this is the evaluation line actually. So in this way you can make some sheets A to Z, A to alphabet Z. You can make this sheet, and if you want you can put them in a transparent sheet and you can practice this alphabets number of times. As you can see that my daughter has used this sheet for a number of times and now she is totally familiar with capital letters. The same technique you can use for small letters also. Initially cutting piece boards or some hard papers, you can identify the small letter A, small letter B. Then you can introduce tracing. With tracing is very important activity. With this tracing, slowly and gradually you can teach new words to your child. So this is the way how I taught my daughter alphabets, capital letter and small letter alphabets. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you really like my video, please like, comment and share, and of course subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and please give your valuable comments. Thank you.